Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and hope you all are doing very well. And I got the many call messages on my phone about the love spell, about the technique, how we can get solution of love problem, how we can get back our love, how we can get the solution for love marriage. Today I'm going to tell you a brilliant technique. With that you can get your ex back or your lover back or your partner or wife back with this technique. No ingredient required for this love spell, no material required for this love spell, no mantra required for this love spell. This is very simple love spell that all the human can do this. This also work for long distance relationship. What you have to do this love spell? You have to take 3 pieces of paper, a black marker, a Fevicol. Expect of that you don't have to need anything. I'm going to tell you the technique of this love spell is you have to make a box this spell can use by anyone, but this is more powerful for the long distance relationship. Here you have to write the name of your lover. Her name is Rita. Her age is 36 years. Her address you have to write her address or his address. Here you have to write these words. You have to write it like this. After that, these are the words you have to write. You have to take you have to write these words and you have to fold it as it is, that I am doing. And here you have to write, here you have to make a box like as it is that we made on the first paper. You have to write these words. As it is. Here you have to write your name, your age, here you have to write your address, and after that you have to take a paper that you folded before, and then you have to use the Fevicol like this and keep it like this and put it until this have to dry. After that, please keep these words should be like as equal, not in the opposite side, and then you have to put some Fevicol on this like this, and on the another side of the paper like this. After you write, you have to move it like this, and both of paper you fold it, and you have to fold it towards you for 3 times like this. And you have to keep it under your pillow for 8 hours, and you have to make a sign of cross. This sign would not allow any kind of evil eye or bad eye to break this love spell. If someone see you while doing this love spell, you have to make this cross that I make in the end of this video. While doing this love spell, if you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us the number that is showing the top of the screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.